Hello! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can download the song on Spotify. So, if you want to download an entire album, it will be very easily to do. So first of all, pick the album that you would like to download. Let's say I'll go with this one, and in here simply tap on this arrow in the circle icon, and the download process of all the songs that are present in this album will successfully begin. If you would like to download the single song or one particular song, the quickest and easiest way to do that is to create the playlist, your personal playlist that will contain only this one song. So let's go ahead and choose some particular music piece, for example this one. I'll tap on the three dots, choose add to playlist option, create a new playlist, for example, name it test 1, tap on the create, and once I'll go to my library, I'll see this test 1 playlist active, and in here, as you can see, it contains only the song that we have just added to it, and here simply tap on the same icon and the single song will be downloaded just like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.